blow your mind. With the crazy dance moves and colorful surprises, get ready to wiggle, giggle, and learn. With the crazy dance, most amazing veggie friends you've ever seen. Can you dance like a vegetable? Let's find out. Here comes the first forensic bouncing in. It's carrot and he's orange as can be. Watch him do the carrot wiggle back and forth. I'm orange like a sunset, crunchy, it's so sweet. I help you see much better, I'm such a healthy treat. Wiggle, wiggle, crunch, crunch, do the carrot dance with me. Now shake your body like a carrot, wiggle side to side, that's it. Look, I'm spinning in circles. It's broccoli, green as grass. She's doing the tree dance, swaying her branches high. I'm green like all the forests, I look just like a tree. I make your muscles stronger, as strong can be. Sway, sway, grow, grow, glance the broccoli dance. Can you sway like broccoli? Reach your arms up high like tree branches. Here comes the tomato rolling in. He's red and round and ready to boogie. Watch him do the rolling dance. I'm red like Ford truck and roses. I'm juicy, round and bright. I help your body stay healthy. I'm such a tasty sight. Roll, roll, bounce, bounce, do the tomato dance. Roll your body like a tomato round and round. Purple eggplant is sliding in with the smoothest moves. She's doing the purple shimmy. I'm people like the evening sky. I'm smooth and oh so fine. I make your brain go pro, better colors so divine. Shimmy, shimmy, slide, slide, do the eggplant dance. Shimmy your shoulders like eggplant. Purple power. Yellow corn is popping up with kernels full of joy. He's doing the popcorn pop. I'm yellow like the sunshine. I pop and dance around. I give you lots of energy. I'm the happiest veggie found. Hop, 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 do the corn dance. Hop up and down the popcorn kernels. Orange pumpkin is rolling in. Big and round and proud, she's doing the pumpkin roll. I'm orange like autumn leaves. I'm big and round and sweet. I help you grow up healthy. I'm such a special treat. Roll, roll, spin, spin, do the pumpkin dance. Now all our veggie friends are dancing together. There's orange carrot waiting, green broccoli swaying, red tomato rolling, purple eggplant trimming, yellow corn popping, and orange pumpkin spinning. We're the rainbow veggie crew. We dance and play all day. We help you grow up big and strong in every single way. Red and orange, yellow too. Green and purple, we love you. Dance with us, eat us too. We're the veggie dancing crew. Can you do all the veggie dances? Wiggle, loop, carrot, sway like broccoli. Roll like tomato, shimmy like eggplant. Pop like corn, spin like pumpkin. Vegetables are superfoods, they help us grow each day. So dance and eat your veggies, and you'll be strong in every way. Remember all our colors, red, orange, yellow, green, and purple too. We're the dancing veggie friends, and we love dancing with you.